How can we make orthographic view? So I have one simple diagram, and this is we have to make uh, orthographic view. Orthographic view means top, front, and right side view. So how we can start? First of all, make rectangle, REC, enter, and then start 0, comma 0, enter, and then make 297, comma 210, enter, Z, enter, A, enter. So this is zoom all. Here set units, even enter. You can use here centimeters or meter or millimeter, whatever. So I am using centimeter. Make here, this is 0. Okay. Also make here layers, LA, enter. Make here layers first of all center line. Okay. Then start this is center line is red color, and load the line. This is center, press C. Center is come, select center and make OK. Again make one layer, we need hidden layers. So for hidden, I need the green color. I can choose anyone but keep green color. And also load line here H, hidden, and then make here hidden. OK. Okay, for hidden here you have to make 25. Okay, and here is center line is 15. Okay, make one also dimension line dim, and for dim you have to use yellow color or you can use anyone, and put here this is 30 or whatever is required. So this is my layer is completed now, and I close here. I can choose here as 0 my object layer. Okay, here I have to first calculate the C, and there is coming 33.5. It start from line 33.5, comma 15. I start from here, and then I have this is 120, and then here is I have this is I have 70, 80. I have 70, so 70, and then this is 120, and then this is C enter. Then make offset 30, enter, and then take this is, and here is I have 80, so make offset O, enter 80, and this is here 80, and then make line from here, and then make line here. Then also offset 30 here, and then make offset 80 because this is my right side, same like the width. So here I have to show width and height. This is length and height, and this is length and width. So this is my first. Then I have to make from center one line 20. This is 20, and then make offset from here 20 and 20, offset 20 and 20, and then make fillet from here to here, close, or you can use this is as a center line. So make this is CL, make this is down is here, so and trim this lines. Okay, down we have one offset 10 cm, we will make 10, and then it is coming 30 cm up. This is 30 cm up offset. So we will make this 30 cm, and then we have 20 cm offset, because we have to show every cut where is cutting the line. So this is also one cut is coming here 30 cm from here, and then this is we have to trim this. Also this we have to trim. This is trim, and then we have cutting line here. Okay, this is 10 cm here because this is a cut, not near to this. So we have to cut from here, and this is this. Then we have to cut here like this. So this is the shape is like this. This other side we have to make one offset 10 cm just for reference, and then we have to make here 20 cm from the outer edge, and then 40 cm from the dome, like this. And then we have to make 10 cm offset from up. This is we have to remove. Okay, this is also removed. And from here this is 60 cm. And then we have to make line enter from here to here. Close. This is we have to trim. This is we have to remove. So this is my first shape is like this. This is the front view. In the top view we have this offset 20 from the left to right, and then we have 60 from here to this, and then we have 20 cm. So this is 30 cm, so 10 cm I am moving this one. Then we have from here offset 20 from here and 20 from here. We have to trim this line, so this is looking like this. Then this is we have to trim like this. Secondly, we have to make hidden lines because we are seeing this is like a hidden. Also take this line to up and trim from this line, and then choose this is as a hidden line. Use here is hidden line. See here this hidden line is not showing, so make LTS and make this stand so you can see the line hidden lines. And here is also this line as a hidden, so I will be use here like a hidden. Make here and use this is a hidden line. From the right side we have see this 10 cm from here, and then we will be make 40 cm up. One line we will see 40 cm from the dome, and then offset 10 cm, offset 20. This will come because this line we will be not see from here, so we will trim this one here, and this line is so we will trim also this line we will not see, and also these two lines, and then we will see on this line as a hidden slope line is coming from here, and then it is so this is we will be see and this is we will trim like this. This is search by 10 centi. Also we have this center line is coming. So how we can put the dimensions? Go to D interface, modify, use line and symbol, this make it 1.5, make here 3 and symbols and arrow, this is 3, text is 3, primary unit is 0, this is okay, set current, close, and then you can make here the dimensions, modify linear, you can put this dimension from here to here, and then this dimension from here to here. Use D enter, modify, LA enter, sorry, we can change this to continue, okay, close, dimension, you can put here this dimension from the center line, and then you can put here this dimension from here to here, 40, and then we can give this dimension, this is necessary dimensions, DCO for dimension continue, so this is dimensions, here put one overall dimension, linear, here is the dimension is here, and then close this.